Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Sri Chandra's distance learning program. Dear intermediate second year students, we were learning the topic Durusun min al-Quranil Kareem. Okay, this is the first lesson of section prose. In section prose, you have 4 lessons. 2 lessons are deleted, 2 lessons are reduced due to the ongoing pandemic. Okay. What were those 2 lessons? What are those 2 lessons? Those 2 lessons are Mazahirul Alam. Mazahirul Alam, the manifestations of the world, has been excluded, has been dropped from the syllabus for this academic year. Inshallah, in the next academic year, it will be there in the syllabus. But for this academic year, 2 lessons will not be there, and no question will be come from these 2 lessons. The lesson number 3 is Madahirul Alam. This has been deleted from the portion. And Al-Mar'atu fi Zillil Islam, lesson number 5 is also deleted. Remaining 4 lessons we have to study. The lesson number 1 is Durusun min al-Quranil Kareem, lessons from the glorious Quran. Durusun min al-Ahadith Sharif, lessons from the prophetic tradition. And Mada tuhibbu an takun, what would you like to become? Khidmatul Walidain, service to parents. These 4 lessons we have to study. Among these 4 lessons we have started Durusun min al-Quranil Kareem, lesson number 1. We have studied Suratul Quraish, Suratul Maun, Suratul Falaq and Suratul Nas. These 4 surahs and their summaries we have studied, and we were solving the exercises of the lesson. Today we have to solve the exercise number, whatever be the number, we have to solve the exercise question and answers. This is a compulsory exercise in your exam. He will ask you questions in Arabic. You have to answer the same in Arabic. The answers may be of one word or maybe of a sentence. But this exercise is a sentence answer type. Okay. And one more exercise will be asked, that is one word, answer in one word. When he will ask you to answer in one word, you have to answer in one word. And when he will ask you to answer, so you have to answer in a sentence. For example, if he asks you, Kam ayatan fi suratil Maun, how many verses are there in Surah Al-Maun? So you have to reply that 7. 7 is not a complete answer. Okay, Sab'u ayatin, 7 verses. It is not a complete answer for the section, but the correct answer is Sab'u ayatin fi suratil Maun. In this way you have to write. Got it? Okay, we will do the exercise on the board. Exercise number, I am putting X here. Okay. In our last class we have solved summary of Surah Quraish, summary of Surah Maun and references. 3 exercises over. This one would be the exercise number 4. Okay. Exercise number 4, he is asking you to answer in Arabic. Answer in Arabic. Okay, question will be given. You are supposed to answer the question. Question is Kam ayatan. Kam ayatan. Whenever kam comes, okay, whenever kam comes, we have to give two fathas to the coming word. Okay, like kam ayatan, how many verses? Kam taliban, how many students? Kam mudarrisan, how many teachers? Okay. And Kam warakhan, how many papers? Like this. Okay. Whenever kam comes or kam preceded to a noun, then we have to give two fathas on it for reading. Kam ayatan, how many verses are there? Okay. Fi suratil maun. Fi suratil maun. I will write a bit, what we can say, by giving more space, I will write a bit bold, okay, so that you can see the board clearly. Okay. Here is the question. Question number A. Kam ayatan fi. Are you able to see this font? Okay, it is clear. Here it is clear. On your side it is clear or not, I don't know. But it looks clear. So we will continue with this font. Okay. Kam ayatan fi suratil, okay, suratil maun, al maun. This is the question mark. Kam ayatan fi suratil maun. You take down the translation. How many verses are there in Surah Al-Maun? This is the question. The answer should be written in Arabic. Jawab. Jim. Jim stands for Al-Jawab. Okay. How many verses are there in Surah Al-Maun? So you have studied that Sabu Ayati. Sabu Ayatin. Okay. Sabu Ayatin, 7 verses are there. The answer is not complete. Sabu Ayatin. If he asks you in one word answer, Kam ayatan fi suratil maun, then you have to give this answer, Sabu ayat, 7 verses. But if he asks you in the full word answer, in a sentence answer, then you should write after Sabu ayatin the remaining question. Fi you have to copy as it is. Fi surah you have to copy, and Al-Maun you have to copy similarly. This is the end. So, Sabu ayatin, 7 verses are there, fi suratil maun, in surah Al-Maun. This is the answer. Okay. Take down the translation. The translation is, how many verses are there in surah Al-Maun? आंसर इज सबउ आयातिन फी सूरा अल माउन, 7 वर्सेस, सबउ आयात। सीन बा आइन, सीन बा आइन, दिस इज सबउ, सबउ आयात। ओके, now second question, B. The second question is आइना नजलत सूरतुल, आइना नजलत कहाँ नाजिल हुई सूरतुल कुरैश, सूरह कुरैश। कितनी आयतें हैं सूरह माउन में? 7 आयतें हैं सूरह माउन में, ये हो गया। आइना नजलत सूरतुल कुरैश, कहाँ नाजिल हुई सूरह कुरैश? तो आंसर है नजलत सूरतुल कुरैश फी मक्का। ओके, Surah Quraysh was revealed in Makkah. The question, I will write the question first. Aina nazalat, Aina, alif, ya, nun. Aina nazalat, Aina nazalat, Aina nazalat. Which surah? Suratul Quraysh, Al Quraysh. Aina nazalat Suratul Quraysh. Got it? What is the answer? The answer is Jawab. Jawab is Nazalat, you have to copy. Nazalat. Okay, Nazalat. Suratul Quraysh, you have to copy similarly. This is over. Okay. Nazalat Suratul Quraysh, you have to write as it is. Now the answer. The answer is Fi Makkah. So you have to write Fi Makkah. Okay. Fi Makkah. Fi Makkata. Okay. Aina nazalat Suratul Quraysh. Aina nazalat Suratul Quraysh. Aina nazalat Suratul Quraysh. Answer is Nazalat Suratul Quraysh fi Makkah. Nazalat Suratul Quraysh fi Makkah. Now the next question. C, question C. C. Asuratun Nasi Makkiyatun. Asuratun Nasi Makkiyatun. Question number 3 is, question number 3, C. Asuratun Nasi असूरतुन नासी मक्कियतुन। असूरतुन नासी मक्कियतुन। This is the question. What will be the answer? This question can be answered as Naam Suratun Nasi Makkiyatun. One answer is over. It means yes, Surah An-Nas revealed in Makkah. But it also revealed in Medina. Okay. So if you want to say Surah An-Nas revealed in Medina, so you have to write as, first you have to deny the above saying la, no, ho gaya. This is over. The above statement is denied. Now you have to answer Suratun Nasi Madaniyatun. Okay, we will prefer this answer because in the reader it is given that Surah An-Nas revealed in Medina. The other narrations are there which assist the saying Suratun Nasi Makkiyatu. Surah Nas revealed in Makkah. So we will prefer the answer which is in the book. Okay, in the book it is given that Surah An-Nas revealed in Medina, so we are considering that answer. If you write the answer Naam Suratun Nasi Makkiyatun, it is correct. You will be allowed. The marks will be allowed for you. But if you deny this statement, no fault will come. You can write this as La, no. Now your answer. La is over, no. Your answer is Suratun Nasi Madaniyat. This is your answer. La Suratun Nasi Madaniyat. No, Surah An-Nas is Madani, means revealed in Medina. Now take down the translation. ट्रांसलेशन बोर्ड पे नहीं लिखाया जा रहा है, उसकी वजह यह है कि पहले बोर्ड छोटा है, अब उसमें ट्रांसलेशन लिखा है तो फिर और आगे के आंसर लिखना मुश्किल होता, इसलिए ट्रांसलेशन में डिक्टेट कर दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग लिख लीजिए। ट्रांसलेशन सिर्फ समझने के लिए है, आपको एग्जाम में ट्रांसलेशन लिखना नहीं रहता, समझ रहे हैं आप लोग? यहाँ तक मेरे साथ आगे। Write down the translation. Is Surah An-Nas revealed in Makkah? Write the answer. No. Surah An-Nas revealed in Medina. Next question. Question number D. Fi ayyi suratin jaa dhikrul yatimi jaa आया जिक्रुल यतीमी, यतीम का जिक्र, वल मिस्कीनी और मिस्कीन का जिक्र। क्या सूरह नास मक्के में नाजिल हुई? नहीं, सूरह नास मदीने में नाजिल हुई। ये आंसर भी सही है। और अगर कोई लिखते हैं कि नाम यस सूरतुन नासी मक्कियतुन, तो वो आंसर भी करेक्ट है। दोनों आंसर्स करेक्ट हैं, कोई एक आंसर आप लिख सकते हैं या दोनों भी लिख दीजिए, कोई परवाह की बात नहीं। Now question number D is फी अय्यी सूरतिन, कौन से सूरे में? फी अय्यी सूरतिन, फी अय्यी सूरतिन, कौन से सूरे में? जा, ये जरा बड़ा क्वेश्चन है तो इसलिए मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको थोड़ा इधर से लिखता हूँ। ताकि यहां से यहां तक आ जाए वो क्वेश्चन। यहां से शुरू करूंगा मैं। डी, फी फी fee IE, in which, IE means which, fee IE suratin, fee IE suratin, fee IE suratin jaa fee IE suratin jaa zikru chalk piece is not working, okay, jaa zikrul yatimi wal miskin. The space is not sufficient. Can you able to see miskin? Do you able to see miskin? Miskin? Is there? No, it is not clear. So I will write it in the next line. It is not clear. Fi ayyi suratin jaa dhikrul yatimi. Zikrul yatim. Okay. Fi ayyi suratin jaa dhikrul yatimi wal miskin, I am writing here. Wal miskin. Okay, this is clear. Miskin. Answer. Fi ayyi suratin, in which surah jaa dhikrul yatimi, jaa came dhikrul yatimi, orphans and poor peoples mentioned. In which surah orphans and poor peoples are mentioned? Okay. फी अय्यी सूरतिन जाआ दिक्रुल यतीमी वल मिस्कीन, कौन से सूरह में यतीम का और मिस्कीन का जिक्र आया है, तज़किरा आया है? ओके. विच सूरह talks about miskin and yatim, orphan and needies? We can translate this question as mention the surah in which the orphan and needy peoples are mentioned, or you can translate this as fi ayyi suratin, in which surah jaa dhikrul yatimi, in which surah the orphan and the needy people are mentioned. So answer is jaa. From jaa we have to write jaa zikrul yatimi wal miskin. Okay, you can copy the miskin in from the question word miskin. Zikrul yatimi wal miskin. This is the question. Jaa dhikrul yatimi wal miskin. As it is, you have to copy. Now the answer. In which surah jaa dhikrul yatimi wal miskin? अराइतल्लज़ी युकद्दिबु बिद्दीन फ़ज़ालिकल्लज़ी यदउल यतीम. So in the surah Araita surah is named as Suratul Maun. So Ja'a dhikrul yatimi wal miskin fi Surah Al Maun. It's a very long answer is there. Al Maun. Answer is short, but description is lot. Ja'a dhikrul yatimi wal miskin. This is wow, not pesh. Ja'a dhikrul yatimi wal miskin fi suratil maun. Surah Maun mentions about the orphan and needy people. Last question, question number E. It says, what it says? It says, Hal Quraishu ismul qabilati. Hal Quraishu ismul qabilati. Hal Quraishu ismul qabilati. This is the question. Hal Quraishu is Quraish ismul qabilati a name of tribe. Is Quraish a name of tribe? क्या खुरैश कबीले का नाम है? तो आंसर क्या है आपका? यस, हाँ. जवाब है नाम. नाम के माने हैं यस, नून आइन मीम. नाम. ओके. नाम ये सेम एज इट इज लिखिए. खुरैशु इसमुल कबीलती. ओके. हल खुरैशु इसमुल कबीलती. नाम खुरैशु इसमुल कबीलती. Is Quraysh a name of tribe? Yes, Quraysh is a name of tribe. Got it? Today we have completed exercise number 4. In our next class, inshallah, we will proceed towards one-word answers. This is a full-word answer. Listen carefully. The last answer is Hal Quraishu ismul qabilati. You have to write the complete answer, not just writing naam and leaving the remaining question. It is not like that. It is not the correct way, but you have to give the full answer as naam Quraishu ismul qabilati. Then you will receive 3 marks. For 3 marks question, if you give the answer naam, he will not give you 3 marks. Instead of 3 marks, he will give you only 1 mark, because you have given the answer in 1 word. So I request you to be careful that when you are answering a particular section of sentence answer, you have to write the answer in a sentence. And if he is asking you to give the answer in 1 word, then at that time you are allowed to write only naam. Okay. Now read with me in a slow and major tone from here. Okay. कम आयतन फी सूरतिल माऊन. कितनी आयतें हैं सूरे माऊन में? आंसर है सबउ आयातिन फी सूरतिल माऊन. 7 आयतें हैं सूरे माऊन में. आयना नज़लत सूरतुल कुरैश, आयना नज़लत सूरतुल कुरैश, सूरह कुरैश कहाँ नाजिल हुई? नज़लत सूरतुल कुरैश फ़ी मक्का, सूरह कुरैश मक्के में नाजिल हुई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 थोड़ा ऊपर है, देखिए। असूरतुन नासी मक्कियतुन, क्या सूरह नास मक्के में नाजिल हुई? आंसर है ला, नहीं। सूरतुन नासी मदनीयतुन, सूरह नास मदीने में नाजिल हुई। यहाँ पर एक वजाहत ज़रूरी है, वो ये कि अगर कोई यहाँ पर आंसर नाम सूरतुन नासी मदनीयतुन लिखते हैं, नाम सूरतुन नासी मक्कियतुन लिखते हैं तो भी सही है, क्योंकि ये सूरह में इख्तिलाफ है। सूरह नास मक्के में भी नाजिल हुई है और मदीने में भी नाजिल हुई है, तो कौन सा भी आंसर अगर आप लिखेंगे तो दोनों आंसर्स भी सही माने जाएंगे। आपको दोनों आंसर्स भी लिखने पे मार्क्स मिलेंगे, या कोई एक आंसर लिखे भी तो मार्क्स मिलेंगे। हम जो है यहाँ पर मदनी इसलिए लिखे हैं क्योंकि रीडर में आपके मदनी सूरा बोल के दिया है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर ये आंसर को प्रेफरेंस दिए हैं, नहीं तो हम मक्किया भी लिख सकते। गॉट इट। असूरतुन नासी मक्कियतुन, ला सूरतुन नासी मदनीयतुन, क्या सूरह नास मक्के में नाजिल हुई? नहीं, सूरह नास मदीने में नाजिल हुई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फी अय्यी सूरतिन जाआ विक्रुल यतीमी वल मिस्कीन, कौन से सूरे में यतीम और मिस्कीन का जिक्र आया? इन विच सूरा मेंशंस अबाउट द ऑर्फन एंड द नीडी पीपुल, कौन से सूरे में यतीम और मिस्कीन का जिक्र आया? जवाब है जाआ जिक्रुल यतीमी वल मिस्कीन फी सूरतिल माऊन, सूरह माऊन में यतीम और मिस्कीन का जिक्र आया। सूरह माऊन, सूरा अल माऊन mentions about the orphan and the needy people. Next question, hal Quraishu is Quraish ismul qabilati, name of a tribe? Is Quraish a name of tribe? क्या कुरैश कबीले का नाम है? जवाब है नाम, यस। कुरैशु इस्मुल कबीलती, हाँ कुरैश कबीले का नाम है। इज कुरैश नेम ऑफ ट्राइब, नेम ऑफ ए ट्राइब, इज कुरैश अ नेम ऑफ ट्राइब? यस, कुरैश इज ए नेम ऑफ ट्राइब, ये लिखने का है। अब यहाँ पर एक वजाहत मैं ज़रूरी समझता हूँ कि जब आपको फुल वर्ड आंसर यानी सेंटेंस आंसर पूछा जा रहा है तो आप सेंटेंस में आंसर लिखेंगे। जैसे कि लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हल कुरैशु इस्मुल कबीलती, तो जवाब रहेगा नाम कुरैशु इस्मुल कबीलती। खाली नाम लिख के नहीं छोड़ देना, पूरा आंसर लिखना। अगर वो वन वर्ड आंसर में आपसे पूछे कि क्या आंसर इन वन वर्ड पूछे तो आप नाम लिख के छोड़ सकते हैं। आंसर इन वन वर्ड के अलावा बाकी सब जगह आपको फुल वर्ड आंसर यानी सेंटेंस आंसर लिखने का है। Got it? With this we will stop here. If you have any doubt, you may ask. Raise your hand and ask us. Or else we will close the class. Yes? Anyone who is raising the hand? So, no one. Okay, we will stop here. Inshallah, see you in the next class.